Kabayan, have you ever reached the point where you are tired of pretending you're okay? Yung tipong gigising ka araw-araw para magtrabaho, magbayad ng bills, mag-sacrifice for everyone, pero deep inside, pagod na pagod ka na? Burnout, emotionally drained, and silently asking yourself, ganito na lang ba talaga habang buhay? Because honestly, I didn't want to survive forever. I wanted more. More time, more freedom, more peace of mind. And that's when I started looking for another way. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm proud Filipino mom, currently living in New Jersey. Before, I worked as a pharmacy technician here in the US. Like many immigrants, dumating ako dito full of dreams. A better future, financial stability, more time with family, and a life where we don't have to constantly worry about money. Akala ko noon kapag nasa Amerika ka na, magiging okay na ang lahat. But reality hit differently. Even while working long hours, there were days I felt completely exhausted mentally, emotionally, and physically. Parang ang buhay umiikot na lang sa work, bills, responsibilities, repeat. And maybe some of you watching this can relate. You work hard every single day, but somehow parang kulang pa rin. You miss important moments with your family because you were always tired. You keep pushing yourself kahit ubos ka na emotionally because you feel like you have no choice. And the hardest part, sometimes you smile outside, but deep inside, you feel lost. That was me before. I keep asking myself, hanggang dito na lang ba talaga? Is this the life I am going to live forever? And that question changed everything for me. One day, I started seeing stories of ordinary people building income online. Mga moms, couples, OFWs, hardworking employees, people just like me. At first, I doubted it. Honestly, natakot ako because I've seen so many things online before. But something inside me said, what if this is the opportunity you've been praying for? So instead of ignoring it, I decided to learn. Little by little, hindi madali sa umpisa. There were doubts, there were fears, but I stayed consistent. And that decision slowly changed my life. Slowly, things started changing. I gained hope again. I gained confidence in myself. I learned new skills. I started creating extra income from my phone. And most importantly, I finally saw a bigger future for my family. What inspired me the most were the real people behind this community. Hindi celebrities, hindi mayaman, just ordinary people with extraordinary determination. People who were once struggling too, but decided not to give up on themselves. And if they can do it, maybe you can too. So if you're someone who feels burned out, someone tired of just surviving, someone looking for another way to create extra income while still working your current job, comment info below or send me a message. I'd love to share what changed my life. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you inside. Bye for now.